Welcome, friends. It's your healthy eating advocates, Bob and Fran. And today we're going to discuss a critical factor to a healthy diet, and that is fiber. Be sure to watch to the end to see the surprising food that is the most fiber-rich on our planet.
Fiber is extremely important to your overall health and aging, and yet our research shows that it's estimated that about 50% of Americans do not meet the recommended daily fiber intake of 20 to 25 grams for women and 30 to 38 grams for men. And this may be similar in many other countries as well.
The word fiber generally applies to any type of carbohydrate that your body cannot digest. It leaves your stomach undigested and goes into your colon, where it feeds friendly gut bacteria that has major health benefits.
These benefits can include weight loss, lower blood sugar, reduced cholesterol, lower gastrointestinal cancer risk, and high fiber foods help to prevent constipation.
Fiber offers many health benefits, but it's important to incorporate fiber-containing foods gradually over the course of a few days. And drink plenty of water as well while you're upping your fiber consumption to avoid adverse effects such as bloating and gas.
Here are some of our favorite super high fiber foods based on grams of fiber per serving. Artichokes are not that high on the popularity list, but this vegetable is high in many nutrients and one of the world's best sources of fiber.
I love artichokes.
Yeah, we eat them in salads, and I also make a really great dip out of artichokes.
I love that dip. Avocados are next. They're considered a fruit and are loaded with fiber and healthy fats. They are very high in vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, vitamin E, and various vitamin Bs, or B vitamins might be the better to say.
Raspberries are highly nutritious with wonderful flavor, and they're packed with vitamin C and manganese.
We eat a lot of lentils. Lentils are inexpensive and among the most nutritious foods. They are very high in protein and fiber. We love lentils in soups and stews.
Kidney beans are a popular type of legume and very nutritious, with lots of plant-based protein and, of course, high in fiber.
So, very high on our list are chickpeas. They're another type of legume that's loaded with fiber, minerals, and protein. We use chickpeas, also called garbanzo beans, in numerous recipes, from hummus to curries. And I love them all, Fran.
Yeah, there's so many wonderful recipes with chickpeas. Split peas are made from the dried, split, and peeled seeds of peas. Of course, they're great as a soup and a super source of fiber for sure.
Note that all legumes are rich in fiber, protein, and various nutrients. They are inexpensive. We loved, also I wanted to tell you about a couple other ones. We love cooked black beans, edamame, and lima beans as well.
Hi friends, just a quick break here. Bob and I are very concerned about the dangerous chemicals in our drinking water and how they can ruin our health. So for several years, we've been using this convenient and economical Aqua True tabletop reverse osmosis system in our kitchen to transform our tap water into filtered and purified water. No installation or plumbing is needed, and the result is pure, delicious water. So, we urge you to click on the Aqua True link in the description below and see for yourself how this can add so much to your healthy lifestyle and longevity. Please, invest in your health now.
3.
Oats are among the healthiest fiber-packed grains on the planet. They're very high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and they contain a powerful soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which has major beneficial effects on blood sugar and cholesterol levels. It happens to be our very favorite breakfast food.
Maybe the best ever snack that is very high in fiber is popcorn. Air-popped, oil-free, salt-free popcorn is the way we do it, with a sprinkle of nutritional yeast. It is my favorite snack.
Almonds are extremely fiber-rich. They contain lots of nutrients, including healthy fats, vitamin E, manganese, and magnesium. Chia seeds, surprisingly, are the very highest fiber-containing food on our list. They're highly nutritious, containing high amounts of magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium. We like to sprinkle these tiny black seeds on salads, and we include it in our breakfast cereal, which is the oats made into a granola.
Other very high fiber nuts and seeds include fresh coconut, pistachios, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds. However, we advise people with heart issues to avoid seeds and nuts as they are high in fat.
And now maybe the best for last, dark chocolate. It is one of our weaknesses, but it is surprisingly high in nutrients and one of the most antioxidant and nutrient-rich foods in the world. But make certain to choose vegan dark chocolate.
No milk.
Believe it or not, some dark chocolate actually has milk in it. So choose vegan dark chocolate that has a cocoa content of 70 to 95% and avoid products that are loaded with added sugar.
So there you have it. We encourage all of you to make a very intentional effort to add more fiber to your meals starting now. You'll be glad you did.
And please help us grow our channel by telling your friends and family to subscribe so we can keep creating more healthy lifestyle videos like this. And we look forward to seeing you again very soon.
See you all.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for coming.